Okay, how we're going to actually work with square roots. Here we go. Here's our square root numbers. These are numbers that when you can square root and get actual numbers, not decimals or any other types of things. Makes it very easy to do the math. So if you memorize these, it makes the work a lot easier. So we're going to see these a lot. And here's how it works. Basically, suppose I want to find the square root of -4. Well, basically, before I can do anything is I've got to pull an eye out. Now you couldn't see, but I reached into my face and acted like I pulled an eye out, which I really didn't. But I'm going to pull an eye out, which basically means if I put an eye in front of this, and I have an eye, and what's the square root of 4? 2. If I take 2i times 2i, I would get -4 because I squared will be -1. All right? So you can pull that eye out. Now, what about -20? Well, first off, what you're going to do is this. First off, look and see. 4 will go into 20. That's in red, and it will go into it how many times? It will go into it 5 times. So what I'm going to do now is this. Pull an eye out. So I have I square roots of 4 times the square root of 5, because square root of 4 times square root of 5 is square root of 20. So now then what I'm going to do is this. What's the square root of 4? So my answer is 2i square roots of 5. I just simplified that. So let's look at another one. How would I do the square root of -45? Well, let's look at numbers. 9 will go into 45, and it will go into it 5 times. So pull the I out. So now I have I square roots of 9 times 5. What's the square root of 9? 3. So my answer is 3i square roots of 5. Let's try one more here. Start -450. Now first off, I know 9 will go into it. I know 25 will go into it. But look at here. 225 will go into it also. I want to find the largest number that will go into it, which I can do that by doing, remember that 450 divided by x on your y equals button will give you all the factors. And basically, if I can find the biggest one, this -225 times 2, pull the I out, makes the I, and the square root of 225 we know is 15, so my answer is 15i square roots of 2. Basically, pull the I out, and then we got to reduce if we do our regular square roots.